It's almost a 2 years journey with Thammudu అని చెప్పేసి. How hard it is to wait for 2 years?
It is very hard. I mean, I think Thammudu has a lot of power-packed performances from the women.
What is it with you, the forest and the fire?
The forest and fire both, they like me and I like them. I've become comfortable around them.
Post Kantara, there is a lots of appraisal you got from the national wide. Were you really able to get that kind of attention which was needed?
Even with Kantara, we did not know Kantara become a global sensation like it did. Even then, we were very unaware.
Do you miss that phase, like where you can get back-to-back success? Like,
If I wanted to sign the films, I could have. So the thing is,
while accepting a film, while listening to the story, what would be the main priority list for?
I think a character sticks when the character is a little...
So you don't have a impersonating personality on any other social media platform?
Yeah, I am loud in real life. I am loud on social media also. I'm sarcastic.
Hi Saptami,
Hello.
I'm Dheeraj from Filmy Focus.
Hi,
So
Dheeraj.
first of all, welcome to Tollywood.
Thank you
with
so
Thammudu.
much. Thank you.
సో ఎలా మీ లాంగ్వేజ్ తెలుగువా కన్నడనా అన్ని ఆల్ మిక్సా ఎలాగ మీది ఇప్పుడు?
Kannada. Telugu కొంచెం వస్తుంది.
ఓకే
I mean, I'm not fully fluent.
ఓకే
Probably if I stay for another 3-4 days or a week, I will probably learn. But yeah, Kannada.
ఓకే సో యు అండర్స్టాండ్ తెలుగు ఆర్
Yes, I
యు
understand.
అండర్స్టాండ్ తెలుగు?
Yes.
ఓకే సో తెలుగులో అడగచ్చు క్వశ్చన్స్.
Yes.
ఓకే సో సప్తమి చెప్పండి, లైక్ మీరు చెప్పారు లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2 years జర్నీ విత్ తమ్ముడు అని చెప్పేసి. సో హౌ హార్డ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టు వెయిట్ ఫర్ 2 years?
It is very hard. I mean, I think if you're in the industry, right, movies in general, you need to have a lot of patience because be it your character or casting or some cinema that comes along for you for that, you know, the hit or whatever, it certainly takes time. But I think right after Kantara, I had a look test. I think in the month of August of 23, when Venu Sriram sir called me, and then we did a small look test, and then the one dialogue he gave me that also will probably be my introduction dialogue in the movie also.
Okay.
That's what we did the look test with. And then he said, okay, fine, 2 years. I looked a certain way after Kantara. And then after that, they started the movie, they were shooting. And then somewhere in 24, sir said, okay, you know, we will shoot your portion. But then again, there was a small delay because Nitin Garu shoulder, he had an airline fracture. So then they again went forward, and then he had Robin Hood. So after that, we started shooting mine in August 24. By then, I think sir hadn't seen me. Just before August, we did the look test again. He looked at me and said, what, you've changed so much. You look so different. This is not the Saptami I, first saw a year ago. I said, yes. So he said, you've lost so much weight and everything. I said, yeah, I mean, that was long ago. And then I looked different. But thankfully, none of my portions were short. So there was no continuity that had to be maintained as such. So
Okay.
whatever I was going to shoot in August, I had one schedule, continuous schedule. So that would be, everything for me. That would be my look for the cinema. So
Okay.
thankfully, there, even though like there was a change from my look test, it didn't matter much because in August I had a one schedule. But right after I got selected was when he told me that I'll have to learn horse riding. I said, okay. And I started right then immediately, like I think 20 days later, my uncle has an equestrian center in Bangalore, very close to my house.
Okay.
It's called Zippy Equestrian. Now they've expanded and they're huge. So there I started learning. So Solar was my first horse there. So I started learning horse riding there. And then by the end, probably, and by the time I started shooting, I could jump the horse. I'm not like properly, but at least I knew I was confident enough to sit on him until he jumped. So I went up till there and I was happy. I love horse riding now. It's something that I think gives me a lot of joy because I was scared initially because it's very, a car is an again non-living thing. It's easy to control, But this has its own mind. He can go anywhere, to control all of that.
And both of you should have a sync.
Yeah, we should. And then they understand. The minute you sit, horses understand. They know if you're scared or what your mood of that day is. So thankfully, I've gotten to the point that I'm not that scared anymore. So I can sit on a horse, any which horse. It's because my shooting horse was different. His name was Danny.
Okay.
He was a wonderful boy. I think he took time first day to understand me, and I took time. But after that, I think both of us knew how to work around each other, because we had some rough terrain to, ride the horse on. It wasn't just like a normal, like it wasn't like a ground or just mud or anything. We had to climb a mountain together, a hill together. We came down the mountain once, and it's all especially when it is like almost like 75 degrees down. My complete belief and trust is on the horse, because if he slips and then I fall front,
Okay.
then I break bones for sure. And while going up, if he slips, he will fall on me, and then I'm probably it's done, or breaking bones again.
Okay.
Thankfully, he trusted me and I trusted him, and we did it together.
Generally, we get to hear about like these stories from the heroes, actually.
Yeah,
So this
but
is the first time I'm hearing from a hero.
Tamudu has a lot of power-packed performances from the women.
Okay.
So there is a lot of action sequences that the women have done, huge fight sequences, very strongly written women characters. So yeah.
Okay. So who all do you have the combination scenes with in the film?
I have with Nitin Garu, that's about it. And a few other characters from the village. There are a few characters. Ambar Godgu is my village. That's where I stay. If you
Okay.
watch the trailer, you would have seen Ambar Godgu. To go in, there's only one way. To come out, so Ambar Godgu is where I stay. That's my village. I have a few scenes with other characters there.
Okay.
Um,
So what do you do in the film? Like in the trailer, you can see that you are announcing something from some sort of tower kind of thing.
Yeah.
So what do you do in the film?
I mean, I can't reveal that, and then a
Okay.
lot of things will get revealed. But like you probably said, there is something, something that revolves around what you just said.
Okay.
So with Nitin Garu, I shot for 2 hours. So I mean, there is a love story.
Okay.
So the hero heroine, there is a
So
love
mostly
story.
it will be conversational kind of.
I mean,
believe.
you gotta watch it. Yeah, it's fun. though.
Okay,
My
so that was the
character-
reason even on the stage Nitin was about to say that and director
Yeah,
stopped him,
yeah.
right?
So it's fun. I mean, every character that's been written,
Okay, so
it's
we,
very different.
so we can't expect any songs, kind of any dance numbers. any-
It's the cinema. There is nothing forced. There's nothing fantasy that is involved. That suddenly
no,
we're
not about
there.
the fantasy, but if there is any film
Like
kind
a
of, you could-
montage or something
Yeah,
like
something.
that. I mean,
I don't
no,
think so.
no. There's 2 songs. One is we've released with the
Yes.
kid. The other one was the Baglamukhi song, the God song. Then Bu Ante Bhutam Vaste. So yeah, I mean, the whole cinema it happens over one day.
Okay.
So
One night mostly.
One night, yeah. I mean, it starts the previous day around 12 in the afternoon that time, and then it ends the next day early morning, like in 9-10 in the morning. So what happens throughout in just that one night
Okay.
is the journey. So it's very situational, every character. But one thing is, even though it is just in that time span the movie happens, every character has its own character graph. No character is simply written just for the sake of it. Like, okay, come, talk, and go. There is no, even including my horse, he has a story. Why he's in the movie, or my bonding with him. So there's a story for every single person there. So it's very well written.
So what is it with you, the forest and the fire? Right from Kantara to Yuva,
Yeah.
then in Tamudu.
I think the forest and fire both, they like me and I like them. I've become comfortable around them. No, but since I was a kid, So every kid, no, they'll say, okay, Chanda Mama, you watch and eat. And now they'll put some cartoon on YouTube or something and they watch. I had this habit of watching National Geographic or Discovery at that. So my mom, when she had to feed me, she had to put animals.
Okay.
Even now, so when I go, I love going on safaris. Um it's something that I absolutely enjoy watching animals. So whenever we're going to Mysore or something, I keep telling my mom, take me to the zoo, take me to the zoo. Or we're traveling to Ooty, I'll say Bandipur. So even on my birthday, last month, we went, I did a safari in Kabini. I love watching animals. So I think forest and all of that has like some close fire. I don't know because I was always a water baby. I'm a national swimmer.
Okay.
So I used to compete up until 2018. So water was my thing. I don't know how that's turned out into a fire now. Yeah.
Okay. So, Saptami, tell me something like post Kantara, there is a lots of appraisal you got,
Yes.
lots of recognition you got from the
Yes.
national wide
Yes.
range of audience.
Yeah.
But post that, were you really able to get that kind of attention which was needed?
Probably because nobody is from in my family, nobody has been in the industry before. So we do not know, like, for example, if somebody gets a hit, what happens is they know how to monetize that probably or build on that, right? So they get hold of a team and they have all of that. For us, it was very new at that point of
Hmm.
time, to know, to get. So even with Kantara, we did not know Kantara would become a global sensation like it did.
But after 100 days or
Yeah,
150 days,
so even then we were very unaware, like in my house also we were, even suddenly like my house became like this museum kind of a place. Every like Sundays, even if you put my house address now, there's a picture of me on Google in my house address. So everybody
okay.
is coming there and they just want to say hi and go. For us all that was very new. During my birthday they came, they told my father, we'll put up banners of her, we want to come celebrate. My dad's telling me, I said, no, 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 I don't want to be like, it's very new. We are not aware of all of that. So that love or that recognition, we did not know how to channelize that through. But I think as like I got, like more and more involved in the industry, try to learn, because I think through learning and unlearning, through experience, you get to learn, you meet people, you learn more. So I think now I know, where to channel my energy, whom to contact, and whom I need to be in touch with. And so after, I think probably after Kantara and after Tamudu, I think this year has been my most busiest year. I'm shooting too. I'm listening to a lot of scripts. I'm agreeing. So I'm continuously shooting. So I think, yeah, at that point, very unaware. Now, pretty
Okay.
much we know where to do, what to get hold
But
of.
haven't you thought that you missed the prime time or the prime
No, I think
time
there
period?
is, I mean, Kantara was very big in my career, but something bigger needs to happen. And probably for that, uh, I don't know whether prime you mean in the time of, like age
Everyone.
or whatever.
No, not the age,
But
but right after the success,
yeah,
that's the main
probably.
crucial time.
Yeah, maybe. But also look wise and how I look back then, everybody had a. Even now, when I go for narrations, they suddenly look at me and they're like, huh? Is this you? Like, even in, I mean, leave Hyderabad or anywhere else. In Karnataka, for example, they've seen me in Kantara because it was such a big thing. Even suddenly, if they see me, they come and ask me. They'll come up to me and say, are you Saptami? Really? So, imagine in a state where they know me. So for, I think for the audience also, they need to see a very different side of me, because I've done those characters. So I'm looking for some, different kind of characters, genres, all of that. And hopefully when it comes my way, it will, I
Okay.
think.
So, can we consider Vaccine War and Yuva as your baby mistakes?
No, probably. I think there were. I like to were doing vaccine war. It was probably too scientific for people to, there, because a lot of doctors in my family or outside really appreciated the movie. Like they spoke about it and they told me that, like whatever you guys have portrayed were actually. And the doctor that I play, she was there all along the shoot, and she was the one who tested the vaccine on the monkeys. So
No,
she,
the role is crucial.
yes.
Though,
So
even
yeah,
in Yuva, the role is crucial.
yes.
But the results differ.
Yeah, I mean, I think cinema that way, you don't really. Yuva did actually, pretty well. It probably wasn't like something like Kantara did, but not every cinema can be Kantara in anybody's career. And Yuva was again another different kind of character that I wanted to. I've never done a commercial song ever, but in Yuva there was Kavite, where we went to Leh and we shot the entire, the song there. The different kind, it was like very like a fantasy based song. So a commercial song. So and people loved that song too. So I think every cinema that way, I've learned something, and probably the character could have been a little more strong for sure. But yeah, I don't know. It wouldn't be a mistake, because I loved working again with Hombale, and all my co-actors in the team. Everything was good. But again, how the audience take cinema, it all depends on them. It did pretty well in Karnataka. People have
Okay.
watched it and they loved it. So yeah, you never know. Like sometimes the biggest cinemas don't do that great. So it all depends on the audience and how they take it.
Okay. So do you miss that phase, like where you can get back-to-back success, like the heroines who came from the sandalwood, like Rashmika or Anushka? So they also gained the fame immediately.
Yeah.
It wasn't late, because
Yes.
Kantara, it's almost more
Yes.
than around
3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
By the time of 3 years, after you take an example of Rashmika, Anushka, they have signed around some 10-15 films by then.
Correct.
In the first 3 to 4 years.
Yes.
So, do you look at that way, that you're not able to sign more films, or
No,
do you
no,
look at it in such a way that I'm experiencing the things and still learning?
No, the thing is, if I wanted to sign the films, I could have. So the thing is, if I wanted to, like in the past 3 years, wanted to have done 10 films and released them by now, I could have. But I've always done 2 cinemas a year. It's always been a thing that I always do 2 cinemas a year. But this year, and also the roles that I probably got that I did not like, be it in Telugu or Tamil, it didn't pan out. And because of Kantara's, the impact that it made, the character impact that it made, the characters that I got again were, or the cinemas that I got were very, what they call like women-centric films, right? Where it's all the women like that. And for me, I was not ready to explore that yet.
Okay.
Because I need to have like an audience of my own. That's what I think. So I need to have an audience of my own, where if I tell that story, it reaches to the people that I'm telling this story. That a woman, from the woman's point of view, when I tell it, it has to reach that many people. That's when it makes an impact. So I was not ready to explore that yet. So I said no. So to a lot of other cinema, and because of how I looked before, very, very aged characters again. I said, I'm not that age. I'm not going to do it. So
is it because of the impact created by Kantara?
Yes. And because of how I looked. So they really thought like for example, for Kantara and for Yuva, I've never done a character where my skin color has been matched to my actual skin color. I've always, toned down my skin tone. So everybody thought it's, like that. So probably that was the image, and I did not want to keep continuing that. But with Tamudu, we haven't done any makeup only. That's a different thing. Leave tone down, tone up, match, nothing. We've just like gone bare skin like that for Tamudu. So I think I wanted to explore different characters and do such, I want to do commercial characters too, because there's another, again, experience that you get from it. I want to do impactful roles. For example, Tamudu is one such, Ratna's character is one such character that I really enjoyed doing. So I think it comes along, and now there is no age gap with the industry. Anybody at whatever age, if you're good and you can convince people that, you are able to carry off this character, you can go ahead and do it.
Okay.
So I think, the best is yet to come.
Okay. So Saptami Gowda, looking at a film, for while accepting a film, while listening to the story, what will be the main priority list for her?
Probably if I get to learn something new out of it, And if the character is different from what I've already done, if there's a little bit of madness and something in the character, right? There has to be some kind of. Uh, I think a character sticks when the character is a little like pitchy pill, like theda in the head. Like you have to be a little mad, the character. So because
But you can't always get the hatke
yes,
characters.
yeah, you can't. Thankfully, like this character was one such character.
Hmm.
But yeah, like I need to learn something, or they're trying to explore some story that hasn't been told, and there's a character that's doing that story. So things like that, and I like doing something that involves action, or even when if it is an introverted character, that character's graph there has to be a change from an introverted character. Why that character is an introverted character? There has to be a story behind that, right?
So that's a big list.
Yeah, there has to be some kind of
Okay.
like
So you
yeah,
never
for
wanted
example, if I ask Dheeraj, who is Dheeraj, you just can't be Dheeraj. There has to be some, like weight to your who you are. You have a backstory. You have your own struggles. Something, right, that makes you you. So that character needs to have something that gives that impact, even if it is for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. There has to be an impact that the character brings to the cinema.
Okay. So the last time I heard a heroine saying that I needed a backstory for any character I play is Parvati.
Oh, nice.
She was very hesitant while accepting any new films, specifically from Telugu or any other films. So during Doota, I believe, Doota. So she did a web series with Naga Chaitanya.
Yes.
So when people asked her like, why aren't you accepting the film? She told the same. See, I simply can't play a role like some bubbly or some kind of wife character.
For me,
I
that
should
is also
have a backstory. Why she behaves like that?
yes. Even if it is a bubbly character, either she doesn't care about the world, so she's just happy being her own way, she is in her own bubble, cares about only herself. So at least that needs to be there, no? So come be the bubbly character, roam around. You can't work around a character that way.
Okay.
You can't put a lot into the character.
Then you should be
that way.
rejecting lots of films then.
Yeah, I have. I think I've done that more than I've accepted. But no, that's actually true. But yeah, like I said, even if she's
So you
bubbly,
regret that by any chance?
no, I don't.
Not at all.
No, absolutely.
So even
not.
after, if it's gone hate and if it got
yes,
some good
nothing
records
like
as
that has happened. But yeah.
well. Okay.
Yeah.
So the thing is, Saptami, you can't always get that kind of character.
Yes.
For specific time period or to survival, for the survival issues, or to prove yourself, you need to do the regular characters as well, where you can't have a backstory, you can't have an impact. So then,
I haven't, like, probably. See, what happens
no,
is
not
if I
till
play,
date, but in the future.
yeah, probably. Like I don't know how the future would be like, but in the future, if that's the case, then I would still hold on. Like my parents I have great parents, thankfully.
Okay.
They've always been great supports to me. Even in that case, I know they'll be there, and they've taught me things about savings. So I will have my savings to dive into then. But I don't know. I don't think like if I do it, if I have to do it for that sake, it'll be something that I would do it very, consciously knowing I'm doing for this. And that's nothing wrong. Like, for example, everybody needs to work.
That's what.
Because we all need money for survival. It's very important.
Yes.
And there's nothing wrong in doing that also. So if that's the case and that's something that I have to do, then yeah, consciously I will make the decision that, yeah, you know what, I have to do this because I need to survive. I need the
Exactly.
money. So I will do it. So there's nothing wrong in it, because any job at the end of the day, so many people are unhappy. At least I'm happy with the job that I'm doing. So I'm very grateful for that. But if like people do complain on a daily basis, whatever job, I'm not just saying IT, any job, there are a lot of complaints that I hear, but they're still doing it because they have responsibilities. So nothing wrong. I would do that then. Yeah.
Okay, good. Else I should be asking, like, do you have that audacity because of your financial ability
No,
or
no,
your
no, no,
upbringing?
no.
Or your upbringing?
No. I mean, I like I said, I could go back to my parents, but I think it's been 10 years because I did my education free of cost. So I had a scholarship. So it's been almost 10-12 years since I've asked my parents for, even before I went into the industry. I was
Okay.
working in Accenture for 9 months. And then after I quit Accenture also, like for a couple of months, I thought I wanted to go for my MS. Then also I did not. So I've never asked, touch wood, never done that. So, but yeah, if I have to really, I know I have that support system, thankfully. Grateful for that. But like you said, if it comes my way during that time, I would, like, I know that I'm doing it for that reason only. I wouldn't say that, you know what, wow, what like amazing character it was that I chose this and all of that. I would probably, like, if you ask me for the interview, I'd say, yeah, it was, it was a nice, like, it came along my way and it was fun to play. That's all I would say about it at that time, because consciously I know that's the reason
Yes,
I
yes.
did that for.
So that's a good perspective
Yeah,
to know.
yeah.
Okay. So Saptami, the thing is, other than accepting the films, other than accepting the scripts and stuff, there is a other world where you need to showcase your talent. Talent in the sense, like, okay, she could be Instagram or other social media, or the page 3 kind of thing. So
What page?
page 3.
Okay, I
Page
don't
3.
know.
That's a celebrity page where we
Okay.
call people that, okay, so these are all the page 3 people which will be visibility on the third page of the newspaper.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's kind of the
Oh,
page
like that.
3 thing.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So uh, the kind of the character or the attitude you have right now might not be replicating in that specific social media or the thing. So how do you project that there?
No, I don't know. I'm very like if
You
I
can't be the same actually.
no, I pretty much am
Okay.
on social media also. If I want to post anything, I will. If I don't
No,
want
that
to,
is
I
fine.
will.
So being yourself is fine.
Yeah.
But projecting yourself as someone who can portray a different character leagues, or if you wanted to go into different league of action, so you should be projecting yourself in such a way that, okay, she can do this or do that kind of. So then
I don't know. I haven't
what kind of, okay.
No, I have no idea, because all what you're saying is going over my head right now. I have no idea what that means. You see, if I'm comfortable the way I am, the way I dress, the things that I do, I put it up. If I'm not, I don't.
Okay.
Even the things that I probably want people to know about, whenever I choose to, I do. Sometimes I will go AWOL. Like nobody will know for like probably 2 weeks, 2 months, whatever. I take my time. It's been that, like, I don't know how to do what you're saying. I don't have a team or anything for social media that does that for
So you don't
me.
have a impersonating personality on on any other social media platforms. Okay.
So you will
are
see
just
me,
yourself.
Yeah, I am loud in real life. I'm loud on social media also. I'm sarcastic in real life. I'm sarcastic there
Okay.
also.
So generally,
So-
what happens is people, not only heroines, anyone, they will showcase a different kind of personality on social media. If I am an introvert, I will have an Instagram page saying that, okay, I am the most extrovert guy. in
Oh,
the
like
world.
too many
So that kind
social.
of, yes.
No, I am in general a very extroverted
No,
person.
in general you are.
Yeah.
So you don't have any other face.
No. I'm
Not at
not
all.
like I'm silent. No, I'm loud and everybody should hear me kind of a person only. Even my
Okay.
social media also. Yeah.
Okay. For specifically girls and actresses, other than films, there is a separate world to earn as well. It could be modeling, it could be ads, or it could be the social media
Yeah.
brands and stuff.
Correct.
So how familiar are you with that? And
Yeah,
also-
that I pretty much like. I get brands, all of that, and we have event openings that we go to. All of that. I think that other mode of income that we usually get, be it social media, because we have hair care, we have skin care, we have makeup, a lot of things that don't go to the guys usually. For example, we even have like menstrual hygiene that comes to us, brands like that, all of that. And like a few, like I, at least when it comes to me, I ask them what it is and how and all of that. Most of the time, because if I'm going to put something across, like even for example, clothing brands like Reliance or Westside, all of these brands, they usually have sales and all of that, and they come to us. So all of these brands, it's a great source of income, because
True.
for like, if you have something that monthly thing, that whatever through the movies you're getting is again like a chunk that you get. But these things, like, it helps with your lifestyle basically. That goes into savings and it keeps you secure. This helps with your lifestyle.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so many people doesn't say that.
And I mean, that's the truth, right?
So when you said you are loud, I just wanted to
Yeah,
check.
like, because you can do your shopping, you can do your travel with the things that you get from your, movies. The bigger
Okay.
chunk goes into your savings so that your family, health, everything is secure. So
Hmm.
you can. So I think a big hit in your life opens up ventures into all of
Okay.
this.
So what is the change that happened to you post Kantara
I
in your
think
life
a
and in
recognition.
personality?
I think in personal, nothing much. Like it's the same at home. It's same with my friends everywhere. But I think more offers, be it like brand deals or even cinema. A lot more narrations I heard because before, like we didn't like now after Kantara. I think the narrations came to me. Before we did not even know where to go for a story narration or anything. After this, like a lot of narrations came. A lot of characters came my way. uh, Telugu industry, Tamil industry, and all is very still new to me because in Kannada, like people know my dad, so we had that, like. But even now, when we go for story narrations, my dad, somebody comes along with me so that we listen the story together. So now that is opened up, I have a lot more, like the gates have opened where I receive more narrations and people come to me for narrations and I get to hear those narrations.
Hmm.
And yeah, I think that's what has happened. And yeah, physically I've changed a lot. And personally, I've like my mind has changed a lot too. Like I know career wise where I want to
Changed in the
be.
sense evolved.
Yeah, evolved for
Hmm.
sure. Where I want to be, what I want in the next 2-3 years, where I see myself in, how many movies that I want to be doing. Because this year has been pretty busy. The first 6 months, I think I've shot 3 movies already. So
Okay.
I'm planning, like, next year, again, next 6 months, probably are going to be very, very jam packed. Hopefully soon, like, 2 in Telugu, and like, hopefully very soon that
Hmm.
falls into place. And so, yeah, that's what I'm looking
Okay.
forward to.
So fine, Saptami. Like you have
Yes.
a plan of for the next 2 years or
Yes.
3 years, but considering the current scenario,
Yes.
the longevity of a heroine career is
Yes.
Completely came down.
Okay.
Unless until it is some bigger stars like
Mhm.
Deepika Padukone
Mhm.
or Alia Bhatt kind of
Mhm.
stars, leaving
Mhm.
them
Mhm.
behind.
Mhm.
So for the rest of the actors, it's been a struggle post after some 5 to 8 years or kind
Mhm.
of.
Mhm. Mhm.
So do you want to like do you want to project your career or plan your career in
Mhm.
such a way that you can earn the maximum in these 5 to 8 years,
Mhm.
or you wanted to project yourself as a complete actor and you can continue for in the industry for the longer time?
Yeah, I want to. I love acting,
Hmm.
so I want to do that. I think as long as I'm alive. So of course I will plan around everything that happens in my personal life according to through what my career is going to take my way. But yeah, there are a lot of other actors also. For example, old actors like Lakshmi ma'am. She's
True.
done in Kannada. She's done everywhere. So they're still here. They're still. I mean, any movie that,
That's what
for
the
example, in us only,
actors who
Laya
started
ma'am.
in the 80s or
Yes, no,
kind
Laya
of
ma'am came
90s. Yeah,
back.
that's
Yeah.
what.
So
But now for the current scenario, I'm
yeah, no,
saying.
I think like for example, characters are being written for like 30s, mid 30s women. And I also like if I'm 35, I do not want to play a 25-year-old. I'm happy to play a 35-year-old girl. I don't have that thing where, oh my god, if somebody guesses my age, I'm very happy if they guess my age. I'm not going to be scared because everybody is going to die and age. So aging is a natural process and you have to enjoy it.
And you're not worried about it.
No, I'm not worried about that. If
So
somebody says I'm 23, I'll be happy. But if somebody says, oh, you look like you're 29, yeah, I am 29. Of course, I'm going to look like I'm 29. So I will be happy. And somebody recently came, and somebody who was like 15 years younger than me, he came and asked, how old are you? I said, I'm 29. On my birthday, I said, I turned 29 today. He said, oh, I thought you were much younger. Do I have to call you auntie because you're 29? I said, if somebody was 15 years older than me, 45, I would call them auntie. Of course, you can call them, call me auntie. I have no problem with you doing that. So I don't feel insecure about all of that. So
Yeah.
it's okay. Like whatever character, according to my age,
Hmm.
whatever it is, I'm very happy to play those characters.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, super cool, Saptami.
Thank
So
you.
before closing this
That
up,
was my email ID when I was a kid.
oh,
Supercoolsaptami@gmail.com. I'm not joking.
so you're still using it? Or not? So still using it?
No, I was very, very, very young when probably Facebook started and you had to give an email
Okay.
ID. That was that.
So now you can check after 3 to 4 days, you will find some new emails to it.
I don't know. I have to go change the password, everything to open that email ID.
Okay. So fine. So before closing this up,
Yes.
so when I was watching the trailer, there is a lip sync issue for your specific dialogue.
Yes, yes,
right?
yes, yes.
So your expression was a little faster, and the
Yes.
dialogue was there is a lag behind
Yes,
it.
yes.
So though they prepared the trailer around some January or something,
Yes.
as Dilraju
Yes,
mentioned.
yes.
So being a Kannadiga,
Mhm.
so Telugu is not that tough for you.
Yes.
So weren't you able to dub
I
for the
haven't
role?
dubbed.
Hmm.
So that is not me
That is
dubbing
fine.
in the.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we understood that you haven't
Yeah,
dubbed
yeah.
for the film, but why haven't you?
I asked, but
Hmm.
I asked the team and they said there's a particular slang in the cinema that probably, I mean, I've requested quite a few times because I would have tried because anyway it's part of my job to do it. But they like, the director has an intuition and it's the
Mhm.
director's call at the end of the day. You have to respect that.
True.
So he thought probably the slang won't sit right and or like there's a particular very 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 particular like the where in Aruku the border they have this like the Orissa and the Telugu there's one slang that they speak
Mhm.
with, so that slang probably would not sit. So that's why sir was telling me they got 70 dubbing artists to dub. Finally somebody from Chennai came and dubbed the and he
Okay.
told me when he cut the first, like the trailer, when he showed me first, he said, yours has a lip sync issue in this. He told me. I said, yeah. He said, yeah, we're trying, but because the way you've spoken, it's people like the slang, even the dubbing artist, the best of the best couldn't get that. So only the Chennai dubbing artist somehow
Hmm.
managed to get it.
So they managed it in the movie at least?
I haven't watched the movie.
You're
Hopefully,
you're
yeah.
about to. Okay.
Yeah, I haven't watched anything. I'm also waiting for fourth.
Okay. So what is the kind of reception you are expecting through the film?
Hopefully they really really like it. It's a very quirky character. It's not like the cinema is very serious. My character is not. She's very
You're
very
quirky in Kantara as well.
No, I'm very introverted in Kantara. Like I don't talk much. Here I talk a lot.
Okay.
Like probably sir was saying he's written dialogues. Every other character in the movie's dialogues, for the span I've shot, I've spoken more than them. Like I've spoken so much in the movie. I'm continuously talking in the movie.
Okay.
So it's a very like a quirky character. She has these kind of rules and principles that she follows. Even that is Theda. It is not like normal. She has like if her own world she lives in. Like she hasn't experienced anything outside. She doesn't know the outside world at all. She knows only Ambargodko and her life, her house, her horse. That's about it that she knows, nothing more. So hopefully they enjoy the character, the way she talks or whatever. I hope they enjoy it. And yeah, like they show me a lot of love again.
Okay.
Yes.
So can you mention the other films you're doing? The other two
No,
Telugu films?
not now.
Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay. So will it be the same kind of quirkiness and
It's different.
Okay.
It's again, it's not the same. It's kind of different.
Mhm.
The other two are very different.
Okay. So thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so
Saptami.
much,
I'm looking
Dheeraj.
forward for Tammudu and
Yes,
your
please
further
go
releases
watch
as well.
in the theaters and let us know what you think. Let me know. I think very few picked on the lip sync. I don't know who all did, but I haven't watched the comments, so I don't see much, so I haven't seen that. But yeah, come back and tell me if there is any more of that. But yeah, hopefully all of you enjoy the cinema in the theaters.
Let's see on July 4th.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you
Glad.
so much. Thank you.